Well, ever wonder what really happens to your car as you hit a pothole after pothole after pothole? Well, our Pothole Patrol has video you have to see tonight. Investigator Jonathan Walsh has a story and says the damage, Jonathan's pretty obvious.
Well, here's the deal. If you're just rolling along and your tire pops because you hit a monster pothole like this one, you're going to see that, right? Well, guess what? Our suspension cam's going to show you a whole lot more than just that. Our Pothole Patrol vehicle took some punishing hits from horrible holes. Check out the slow-mo of our suspension getting jolted again and again. Customers at nearby Conrad's brought in a car today with a bent strut and crooked wheel, all from a pothole. How hard is it to bend a strut like that?
You have to have some serious impact to do that.
Yesterday, 2 torn-up rims brought in, but that's not all. There are tie rods, stabilizer links, control arms, ball and sockets.
And you should not have that much play, and you shouldn't be able to hear that.
That all absorb serious impacts.
So there's multiple components that are down in here that once you take a large impact, you want to get the vehicle in and you want to have that alignment inspected.
Here's more video underneath. Some drivers told me their suspensions didn't hold up to Cleveland roads.
I had to take it in, and it was $618.
I did see city crews patching.
It's about time.
The very spot near 71 that damaged one of the cars at Conrad's. But there are still so many others that are, unfortunately, waiting for you to hit them.
But the key part is to get it checked out and don't leave that go, because that could cause further damage.
And that's good advice, because Sam tells me that just a broken rim and broken strut can cost you up to $1,000, all for hitting a pothole. Reporting live here on the west side, I'm Jonathan Walsh, News Channel 5.